This is going in the review.
Yay. We are stopped. Our stop for the night. Yay. Coffee. And a Bun-O-Matic with sparkling water.
It's good water. Good.
It tastes good, yeah. I'm gonna have to show you all that. 417. This feels like a dormitory. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it does. It feels like a dormitory. Oh, this is cute. Okay, this is a very different kind of hotel, isn't it?
It gets the job done.
It's supposed to be. I'll do a little intro about this brand. We're not doing a review of the hotel itself, but basically the brand. It's kind of, what is it, Avid?
AVID.
AVID. And it's a IHG brand. And it has like a new, like, I'll explain soon. I'll explain. This is very small.
Yes.
Very small. But you know what? It's a good price. It's supposed to be clean. It's a good price. It's supposed to be clean. Who leaves the toilet seat up? It's small. It's a good price. Very dormitory-like. It feels like a dormitory. If you're just here for one night, this is it. It's a bed. Hopefully a clean bed. The sheets are nice. Pillows are nice. Oh, Jim, you just busted it.
Oh,
Is it good?
yeah. Not bad.
We'll see in the morning how it is. But this was like a lot cheaper than a regular Holiday Inn, and we just needed to stop to sleep, so we'll try it out. And there is no microwave, is there?
I think I saw one downstairs.
There might be one downstairs. We got popcorn. We'll check it out. There's a little fridge, a little ironing board,
Oh, that's a little bit of everything.
a little cubicle. What is that? Oh, steam iron.
Well, yeah.
I don't know. I kind of like it. Very
It has that European small feel.
dorm.
Yeah.
Almost like a dormitory. Just coming in kind of feels like a dorm. Like downstairs is.
Down the hallway. And,
Yeah.
yeah.
It feels like we're in college. College night. Let's go get some beer.
This is going in the review.
Yay. Breakfast. Sleeping so good.
Yeah. It was nice.
I did remember. Okay. There's we can still keep going.
Yeah.
Thank you. I was like in the middle of a dream too.
Yeah.
So we gotta wait for the fire department to reset it. You passed. You did not fail the fire alarm. We did not take the elevator. We did not take all of our shit with us.
Yeah, we failed. I mean, we made it.
We made it. We did get dressed though. I didn't run out of here naked.
No.
And I did go to the bathroom before.
Yeah. It's alright. But something was burning, but I don't... This might take a while.
This is like, if it was a fire, the fire department would have took a long time.
Yeah. Yeah.
You want to just get back in the car and keep going? No, we did be there like 3 hours.
Yeah. No, we can wait.
We can wait. This really doesn't do good for my hotel review, does it?
I don't think so. The bed was nice.
So far the night was good. I was sleeping very well. Bed was comfortable. The hotel did remind me of a college dorm, and it's really there was some sort of whatever smoky burnt food there was.
Oh my God, they finally made it. They made it.
I need one mouth to mouth or something.
Yeah, right?
Yay! Whatever was burning really choking me up. I'm crying. I'm dying. I have to go with them.
No, okay.
The next morning.
We're gonna go check out the breakfast. Let's go. Night so far.
It was
How was your night?
It was long. Had a fire alarm and whole fire.
You're gonna hold that against them on the review.
I don't know.
Okay, we'll see. We shall see.
Depends on how breakfast
is. Look at Jim. Draw little things.
Plus to get the creamer.
Oh, that's that very concentrated sweet one.
Yeah,
Honey coffee. Dirty.
Yeah.
So dirty. Let me show you the food. Food looks like shit.
It looks bad.
It looks bad. Bad. Sausage and eggs. No sausage, no eggs. They're both empty. Yogurt.
I was looking for somebody to let them know about the
There's no food left. Well, no breakfast. A muffin? You want a muffin?
No peanut.
There was no food and nobody there.
No good.
No bueno. Just coffee. Huh.
They didn't.
It was filthy too.
Yeah, it was filthy.
Some guy was like, I'm trying to find somebody to get some food.
Yeah.
Because it was all empty.
And no peanut butter.
No, oh no.
That's like a staple.
Not everywhere, but we can skip a meal. It won't kill us. I got some coffee though. Maybe after a certain time they just don't fill the food up anymore.
Yeah, right.
Oh yeah, we're open till 10, but after 9 we just don't feel. Here, Jim. The room smells good because I sprayed my perfume. Oh, my back hurts so bad.
This whole wireless and...
Oh, yeah. There's supposed to be like extra good Wi-Fi. There was no good Wi-Fi. The lights are down, but there was no good Wi-Fi. Turn the lights on. There's supposed to be like extra good Wi-Fi and stuff. I didn't have any good Wi-Fi. Maybe this is just this location of Avid or whatever it's called. Avid. Because this isn't like what it was advertised. Here's what they want this place to be. So the concept of Avid hotels is to provide the essentials done exceptionally well at a fair price for mid-scale travelers who prioritize quality over extensive amenities. It features rooms designed for sound sleep, high quality grab-and-go breakfast with name brand options, and modern technology for seamless experience. It focuses on core guest needs like comfortable beds, clean rooms, and reliable technology in a modern setting at an affordable price point. Oh, it failed. If that was their goal, it failed a lot of that. The bed was comfortable, but as you saw, we had a fire alarm in the middle of the night. That was not their fault, so I'm not going to deduct points for that. But the breakfast downstairs was nothing.
And it was dirty.
And it was dirty. What was the name brand options?
It was like a regular Holiday Inn.
No, there was not even Holiday Inn would have a better.
Yeah, they would have had a better setup.
There was nothing. There was eggs and sausage and potatoes.
Yeah.
But there was nothing there. There was all out. There was like a couple of potatoes and there was some sausage on the counter. It was very dirty. We've been to some Holiday Inns that's been very clean because there was like really good staff working and cleaning. But I do like the concept of a smaller room.
I do too. I like it.
I do, yeah. I like the smaller room concept. I don't need a big room, you know, so I do like the room. The room setup was fine for me. I know there was bad reviews about how tiny the room was.
I mean, it's basic and it's very easy.
And it's very easy. I like these little cubicle things. Gave me ideas for the van. You know, I like how the lobby is set up like a little place for people to eat and to watch TV and everything. You could have like a board game there one night if you were like with your family, but like, yeah, the food was not good. The Wi-Fi wasn't good. I tried to do some videos last night and there was the Wi-Fi was not good at all. So the technology isn't there either. Again, we're on the 4th floor. It could be because we're so high up, but it should be everywhere good, not just one location. So would I come here again? I probably would give it another shot. The Avid, the brand, yes. Maybe not the Beaumont.
Yeah. Not this location.
See, I'm not sure. I might not even release this video until I do another Avid hotel or two and then combine them all together. Or maybe I'll just put this up and then we'll do another one. Because I do like the concept. If they got the concept down, what they want it to be, it'd be awesome. Right?
It would be.
Yeah, because I don't need a big room. I just need the basics.
Right.
How was the shower? I didn't shower.
The water pressure was bad.
Yeah.
I had to turn it on to the massage to even get it to...
That's why I skipped the shower. I'm going to do it when we get to the next location.
And they used the same...
Dove.
They used Dove body stuff.
I like the Dove.
Yeah.
It's a Holiday Inn brand, but it's just... Yeah. And how much cheaper was it? I think it was like maybe $30 cheaper than a Holiday Inn stay. So it wasn't that much cheaper. But I have seen locations in Florida where this was a better option. Like in Miami, I think they have one that I was going to book once because it's closer to the airport and it was like after a cruise. But the price point was a lot better than other places. But you got to shop around. You got to check them out. This one probably gets a side thumbs. We're not too sure. We might give it another shot. It's dirty downstairs right now, though. It is filthy.